When it comes to maintaining comfort and efficiency in your Layton home, one of the most important factors is proper window installation. Layton's climate, with its hot summers and cold winters, demands that your windows provide optimal insulation, protection, and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or installing new ones, proper installation is crucial to ensuring that they perform at their best and serve the needs of your home for years to come. Here's why proper window installation is essential for homes in Layton, especially considering the unique challenges posed by the local climate. Maximizing energy efficiency. Layton experiences both extreme heat during the summer and cold, snowy winters. These fluctuations in temperature can lead to high heating and cooling costs, particularly if your windows aren't installed correctly. Even the most energy-efficient windows will fall short if not installed properly, as gaps around the frame or poor sealing can allow warm or cool air to escape. This forces your heating or cooling system to work overtime, which leads to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. Proper installation ensures that your windows are airtight and well sealed, preventing drafts and air leaks that can compromise your home's energy efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, they help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This reduces the load on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home. Preventing water damage and mold growth. In Layton, heavy snowfall in the winter months followed by rain during the spring and fall makes it essential to ensure that your windows are sealed tightly. Poorly installed windows with gaps around the frame or improperly sealed edges can let in water, leading to moisture infiltration. This water can seep into your walls, causing mold growth, rot, and structural damage over time. Proper window installation uses high-quality weather stripping and sealants that ensure a waterproof fit, protecting your home from the elements. When windows are installed correctly, they help prevent water from entering your home, safeguarding your walls, flooring, and insulation from potential damage. Ensuring long-term durability. Windows are an investment in your home, and you want them to last for many years. If windows are installed incorrectly, they can become misaligned, which may lead to uneven wear and damage over time. For example, improperly sealed windows can develop condensation between the panes of glass, leading to foggy windows that affect your home's appearance and energy efficiency. In the worst cases, misaligned windows can lead to cracks or breakage, requiring costly repairs or replacements. By ensuring proper installation, you're increasing the durability and longevity of your windows. A well-installed window will remain in good condition for years, providing you with improved insulation, noise reduction, and enhanced security without the need for early replacement or repair. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. In Layton's climate, windows play a crucial role in maintaining comfort inside your home. When windows are improperly installed, they can cause hot spots or cold drafts in certain rooms, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This not only affects your comfort but can also cause your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy costs. Proper installation also ensures that windows are tightly sealed, preventing dust, allergens, and pollutants from entering your home. This is especially important if you suffer from seasonal allergies or live near areas with high pollution. Properly sealed windows keep the air in your home cleaner and help improve indoor air quality, ensuring a healthier living environment for you and your family. Enhanced security and safety. Your windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry into your home, making proper installation critical for home security. When windows are improperly installed, they may not close or lock correctly, leaving your home susceptible to break-ins. Additionally, windows that don't open or close properly can present a safety hazard in emergencies, such as fires. A professional window installer ensures that your windows are properly aligned, securely sealed, and function smoothly. They will also check that all locking mechanisms work correctly, providing added peace of mind when it comes to security. In the case of an emergency, properly functioning windows ensure that you have easy access for escape or ventilation. Curb appeal and aesthetic value. Your windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal, especially in a community like Layton, where homes vary in architectural styles. Poorly installed windows can create visible gaps, misalignments, and other imperfections that detract from your home's overall appearance. On the other hand, professional installation ensures that your windows fit seamlessly into the design of your home, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and contributing to its overall value. If you plan on selling your home, professionally installed windows will make a significant difference in how potential buyers perceive the property. Windows that are properly aligned and well-maintained not only enhance the exterior design of your home but also increase its marketability and value. Proper window installation increases home value. When it comes time to sell your home, well-installed windows can significantly increase its market value. Buyers are more likely to appreciate energy-efficient, secure, and well-maintained windows, knowing they won't have to replace them in the near future. Proper installation ensures that windows function as they should and provide long-lasting benefits, making them a desirable feature for prospective buyers. Conclusion: the importance of professional window installation in Layton. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, proper window installation is essential for homes in Layton. From energy efficiency and security to comfort and curb appeal, the installation of your windows directly impacts your home's overall performance and value. Investing in professional window installation ensures that your windows will provide years of reliable service, helping you maintain a comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient living space. Reach out to a professional window installer to ensure your windows are installed correctly, providing you with the best possible benefits for your Layton home.